Hi everybody, hope you're doing great. Today I'll be reviewing the out-the-box e-liquid line by Viblio. Out the Box is crafted by Viblio in New York. It's a sweet, creamy, and fruity cereal line available in 60 milliliter bottles in 0, 3, and 6 milligrams of nicotine. Crunch Time takes crunchy cinnamon swirls and drenches them in dreamy, luscious milk. The smell is a blend of creamy custard notes paired with sugary cinnamon. I get sweet, creamy notes on the inhale, with cinnamon lingering on the exhale. Tiger Berry is scrumptious sugar-coated cereal flakes, soaked in a creamy mixed berry milk. For the smell, I get sweet, sugary notes. The inhale is a sweet, sugary blast, with subtle tart berries on the exhale. Coco Pops is cocoa-dusted cereal pieces drenched in delicious, rich chocolate milk. I get top notes of rich milk chocolate for the smell. The inhale is sweet, creamy notes with rich milk chocolate on the finish. Pot of Gold is a magical blend of sweet cereal and marshmallow bits drenched in creamy strawberry milk. For the smell, I get creamy and almost pineapple or tropical notes. For both the inhale and the exhale, I get creamy pineapple with light hints of strawberry. Bedrock is fruity cereal flakes submerged in cold and creamy milk. The smell is a blend of fruit notes. I get creamy tart fruit on the inhale and sweet fruit blended with cereal flakes on the exhale. Out the Box is a tasty line. Crunch Time is a really good blend and my second favorite. Tiger Berry for me was more of a creamy fruit than a frosted cereal. Coco Pops was my favorite flavor of the review with delicious chocolate notes. Pot of Gold was a bit too tropical for my taste in a cereal vape, and Bedrock had excellent fruit flavors, but a little strong on the cornflake flavor. Overall, a great cereal dessert line worth checking out. Out the Box currently runs in the $15 range per 60 milliliter bottle. If you'd like to try the line for yourself, just click on the info link in the description box below this video. As always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and connect with me on my social sites. Have an excellent day, and may the vape be with you.